I was only supposed to spend a few days on Elafonisos. I knew I had to work while I was there, and I wanted to spend some time at the famous Simos Beach. And then I was going to come back to Athens. But once I got there, I knew I needed to stay another day so I could enjoy another day at the beach. And by the end, I really wasn't ready to leave. Yes, this is Greece. I am on the island of Elafonisos. It is an island off the coast of the Peloponnese, south of Sparta and Monobosia. This is Simos Beach. It is the most well-known beach here. It's actually a double bay beach, a bit like Balos in Crete, but a lot more accessible because there's not a giant hill that you have to walk down. You can drive almost right up to the beach. You can bring your own umbrella. There are beach chairs. Obviously, I have rented one. I did rent the cheapest one, but they are kind of pricey if you ask me. So the cheap ones were 20. The more cushy sunbeds were 30, and then they have like these beds that are 40, which definitely don't need. So I'll be here most of the day because I figure if I'm going to pay that much money for a sunbed, I'm going to be here for a while. This very much reminds me of water in the Caribbean. I mean, and this isn't even the clearest part. I walked down a little bit and it was even more, it was like tap water but like the look, like I could see right through it. I also love all the sailboats that are here. There was a little sign saying you could rent little boats, but I was talking to my mom at the time and she's like, you probably shouldn't go out on a boat by yourself. And she's probably right. So, and it's probably not in my budget either, so that's why we have the car. See, look at this. It's like perfectly see-through. You can just see my foot. And it's reflecting back, so I can't see what you guys are seeing, so hopefully this turned out okay. The other reason it reminds me of the Caribbean is because it's really shallow, far out. It's only just a little past my knees, and I'm short, so it's really nice though. Like when I first got in, it was a little chilly, but now that I've been in, it's better. This is the other side. It's a much bigger beach. But I think Little Simos is nicer. The weather is also perfect. This might be the perfect beach on the perfect day. I came home from the beach and I took a shower and then I crashed for a while, a lot longer than I thought I would. I was kind of tired, so anyway, it's almost 9 o'clock and I'm going to go to dinner now. Not really what I wanted to eat this late, but whatever. I'd have liked to have been out by 8, but it's okay. Anyway, it's lovely though. Like, look at this. And this is almost 9 o'clock at night. The sun has set, but it won't get dark till like 9:15, 9:20. And of course, as the summer goes on, that gets later and later. The nice thing about staying in the town is that I can walk everywhere in town because it's very small. The island itself is not that big, so the guy at my hotel said that it's 4 kilometers to Simos Beach. Oh. I think I interrupted a battle. I see what's happening here. I think. It doesn't seem that many of the cats are sterilized here. Probably because they don't have a vet, and it's probably hard to get it done. And we are territorial because of that. I decided to eat at Taverna Orania. It's a seafood taverna. And I just wanted to show you the very generous pour of the glass of white wine. I was thinking about getting like a quarter of a kilo, and then I was like, no, because I have to work tomorrow, and I'm glad I didn't. Look at the color of the sky. It's just beautiful. And I don't know. It does remind me of Nexus to some degree because it's like this. You sit on the street and order food and sit and watch people. And that's the entertainment for the evening. And you pet cats. And literally the lights came on right before I started to film. So, and it feels good outside. So it's really nice. This might be the biggest plate of shrimp pasta I've ever seen. I'm glad I didn't get an appetizer. I thought about it, but I decided that I wasn't that hungry. Everybody's over here to see the turtle. So, this is the first time, I think maybe ever, that I've been in a restaurant where 2 other single people were also sitting and having dinner. And I ended up talking to the other woman that was there. She's from Australia. She's a meteorologist, which I thought was so cool. Anyway, so we got to talking, and I'm just now finally going back to my room. It's 12:15. So I was giving her a bunch of travel advice because she's driving all over Greece for the next couple of weeks, and I just thought that was so cool. Hi, friend. All of the kitties here are super friendly. You're big and fat. I think he's decided he has to walk me home. It's so quiet here. I mean, it is Sunday night, but it's nice. Bye. See you later, buddy. I've had to work today and yesterday, so I'm just now kind of getting out. I mean, I've been out a little bit, but just to get lunch and stuff and go back to my room. So I haven't filmed, but I'm out now. It is so nice outside. Gotten kind of cloudy, so it's nice and cooler than it was earlier this afternoon when I came out for lunch. And it's just a gorgeous day. I am finally making it out to this church. It's basically out on a little island across from the town. The first night I was here, there was a wedding. The second night, I didn't go out. And then the last night, or yesterday afternoon, there was a funeral here, unfortunately. So it hasn't really been able for me to go down here. And of course, the doors are locked, probably, because the door is closed. But I just want to kind of see it from the outside anyway. They have benches you can sit on. That's nice. So the ferry goes from, well, you can't see it because of the tree, but it's over there, and then it comes across this way and goes over there. Right now, the ferry seems to be going like every half an hour. I don't know if, again, it's more in the summer. I have the schedule. I need to look and see. And it doesn't run like late at night, I don't think. So I guess if you're coming here, just be prepared to wait on either side if you haven't checked the schedule or you didn't get here around when the ferry time is. It was super easy. I walked up, paid for myself and my car, got backed in, backed onto the ferry, but that was okay. So we'll see how it is when I leave. Now this is the view. I am at the Alexandra Taverna, also known as the Nisi Panagia, the islands of Panagia. So on the map it's called the islands of Panagia, well, in Greek, Nisi, it's in Panagia, but people call it Alexander, and that's what the Mender says. So, but look at this view. This is amazing, and it's the perfect spot for sunset because it's facing the correct way. If you're in town, you don't get like a direct view, you have to walk to the other side. And the sign says they don't take reservations and they don't have coffee. I've gotten moussaka. I wanted souzakakia, but they've either didn't have it or wasn't available. I didn't understand. So that was my last minute quick decision when he came to take my order. So I'm sure it'll be fine. I really came for the view. More than, the food. I think they're more known for their fish, but I had fish the other day, so I don't really want any more. It's huge. I had kind of regretted not getting an appetizer, but now I haven't. I love their space. It's so nicely landscaped. They have all these wildflowers in front of where you sit, and then over here they have olive trees Going out to the parking lot, and it's all lit beautifully. It's very tranquil, and I imagine that since it's not the high season yet, it's still pleasant to be here. I don't know what this place would be like when it's busy. Parking might be difficult, but this is the star, the sunset. Good morning, everyone. I came down to a different beach today, and you can park on the beach. I mean, it's not like on the part where people are, but the parking lot is the beach. See? Oh, and there are lifeguards. I wondered who was talking. It's about 9:45. There's one other car here, and then that's the lifeguard's car because that's who just came in. This is Kato Nisi Beach. It's near Simos Beach, but I've driven past it a few times, but I haven't gone out to look at it, so let's go see. It is so beautiful here. It definitely reminds me of the Caribbean. If the sand was just a little bit whiter, like it is over on Simos, it definitely does. I mean, look at the color of the water. It's stunning. And because it's so early, there's no one here. And I wouldn't even call this super early, even by Greek standards. But it is a Wednesday, so people have to work, and I think the kids are in school this week, so that has a lot to do with it too. And over there is where I had dinner last night, to give you some perspective. And if you go that way, that's the town. It takes about 10 minutes to get down here. So it's a very small island, but I like that. I put my feet in, and this early in the day, the water is still kind of chilly. It's definitely one of those things that it gets warmer as the day goes on, and here it really does because it's so shallow, and there's not a big, wavy, deep part nearby. Because the water's kind of chilly, I think I'm gonna go over to the larger part of Simos and see what it's like over there. I thought the water would still be warm, to be honest with you. So what I may do is go back and do my work that I have to do for today, and then see what happens. I have all day tomorrow too, so I could come back. This is so lovely. Look at it. It's perfect. It's beautiful. There's hardly anybody down there so far. And I love all the sand dunes. Listen to that, guys. That means summer is here. I know that when the cicadas come out, that it's summertime in Greece. And this is the first time I've heard them. I'm excited now. I mean, not that I wasn't excited for summer before, but I love it. The water's a bit warmer over here. That's interesting. But still think I'm going to wait and swim tomorrow because I have to work. So I'm like, well, I don't really want to get wet and then have to go shower and all that. So, but it is nice to get out and come to the beach the first thing in the morning, right? This is my apartment. Most of the places here I seem to find were apartments. And that's what I wanted. I wanted to be able to make some food since I was here for more than a couple of days. So this is the living area. There is a bed over here. And here is the bathroom. Really good water pressure, like insanely good. And they have solar, so we have hot water all the time. And here's the bedroom. It is quite large. Obviously 2 beds, another closet. This place is called Sogno Greco, which is The Greek Dream in Italian. It's owned by some Italian people. There's a lot of Italians on this office. This is the outside area. So table, and then there's a little sofa area if you wanted to sit out here. I was gonna sit out in here and work, but the sun has been too bright for that. I am out for dinner, and I will never get over the colors that the sunset creates here in Greece. It's just stunningly beautiful. And here's my lovely pasta with clams. I am up and out for breakfast this morning since I didn't have to work. I've come down to, it's like a grocery store and a bakery. It's, where's the name? Domagalo di Gani. And it's right here in front of the ferry boats, and they have a homemade cinnamon roll. So good. It's owned by some Greek Canadians who are from here, but they grew up in Canada and came back. It's another fabulous day down at the beach. I can't get over this water. And it's not too hot. It's perfect. There's a nice light breeze. And you know, there are people here, but it's not super crowded. So I am calling it a day from the beach. Been out here for several hours, been in the water a few times, and it's time for a shower and some food, and probably go have an early evening because I need to leave early in the morning to drive back to Athens. Good evening, everyone. I think tonight I'm gonna go back to the same place that I ate at last night. A lot of the restaurants here are fish tavernas. Now they do have traditional dishes, but I just don't want fish again. I think I've had it like 4 times this week. Tonight I got the pork neck steak, and the gravy, while it looks brown, is a lemon gravy. I also got homemade sourdough bread with like a tomato and oregano dipping sauce, which is amazing. I need to recreate that at home. I absolutely loved that pork steak. It wasn't exactly what I thought it was going to be, and it was so much better. I'm so glad I decided to stay another day. It was totally worth it. I got to spend another day on the beach, and feeling refreshed to go make the drive back to Athens tomorrow. So, and it's hot in Athens, I'm hearing, so I will miss this weather because it's been pretty much perfect. I think today it was 26. I think it's 32 in Athens. So yeah, I'll take it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I loved Elafonisos. I would come back. The beaches are stunning, and the water was already warm, which is different compared to some of the other islands. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you back in Athens.